Hello, welcome back to my channel. God bless you, Jesus. I remember myself, the great Johnsonkeyz. Right, so I want to show you some very nice hold and drop techniques in the key of F. So I'm just going to show you according to their chord progressions, then you will fix them into songs also later. So 3 to 6, whenever you have a song going from 3 to 6, from 3 to 6, like 3, 6. So you can always do this. So you hear gospel pianists do that a lot. So you have right, 3. So we have our 3, our sharp 5 going to 6, going back to sharp 5, our 4 going to sharp 4, coming back. So you can always do that. So your 6 to 6. You can have that for 2 also. So that's your 2, your 4, your 5. I'm sure you can see my fingers. So you hold 2 and 5 also on the right, and then you hit that against 3 and 5, back to 2 and 5, back to 3 and 5. So together we have something like this. So B to C, B to C, B to C, B to C, B to C. You hand on B, right? So together we have right to 5. So right. So then your 2. So you can do the one for 5 also, which is so. So God in 3 bless the tree. So you can always do that. So you can do that on 5 before going to 1. As a tension, you can create a tension, then a release, then you go to your 1. All right, so you can do that for 6 to 2 also. Right, so El Shaddai. So you can use that. If a song is going from 6 to 2, you can pick up from 6 with this gospel melodic movement instead of just playing chords. El Shaddai, you can do El Shaddai, just like I think I taught something like this the other time. El Shaddai, El Shaddai. Everything keeps taking it to the 2. Right. So we have the 3 to 6. We have the 2 to 5. That goes like it. Then we have the 5. Then the 6 to 2. Alright, so if you've not gotten my intermediate piano course, you should check the advanced about section of the channel. Check that out. You see the seller link there, so click it to check my piano courses. Alright, God bless you. Bye. Thank you.